This wolf has gone way too far. How dare he? He has overstepped his bounds. I want his head. I want his fangs ripped clean from his skull. I want to strangle him until he is dead. I will.
Daddy!
Rosalie, you're all right. I thought you were dead. We couldn't find you.
It's okay. Akira saved me.
Which brings me to a point. Who are you to leave your post?
Sir, I left her with 2 captains.
I suppose I can let you off. Can't kill one of my top generals.
That's right. Or you'd have to deal with me.
Well, 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 look who stupidly decided to walk into this pack without any backup.
You're talking big now that your pack's around. Did you forget? Just a little while ago, you had your tail tucked between your legs.
Oh, really?
Anouk! Anouk! Come back here. I have a question for him. Then you can have your fun.
Go on, boy.
So how does one kill clans by himself?
Kill? I didn't kill them. I warned them. And like you, they wouldn't leave their land. So they died.
Died? From what?
I'm not one of your scouts, old man. Send one of your puppets to find out.
Puppets?
I have other matters to attend to.
What is it exactly you are here for?
I'm here for her. To take her back.
Good luck with that. With a command, she would tear you apart in a heartbeat. Her loyalty is immortal.
Because she doesn't even know. She's a wolf like me.
What?
Wolves were banished from my kingdom a long time ago, since that fool Akoda tried to go against me.
She's a wolf. Isn't that right, Rex?
Is this true?
You have to understand, I had a choice. Our orders that night were to kill all the wolves. Then I found you. But I couldn't do it. You were so young.
You lied to me. About everything.
You disobeyed orders? Harbored a wolf? You're a traitor!
I'm no traitor, you are! We are in danger yet. You keep us here. Akota was wrong to betray you.
Enough! Kill them all!
Wait, not Akira!
That demon has no part of us! She's dead to me! Dead to us!
She is not a demon! She saved my life!
She was hiding! Waiting for the moment to strike!
Do you even hear yourself?
Enough! You are my daughter! You will obey what I say! This is that wolf's fault! Look what she's done to you! After them! Kill them all! They are never to show their faces around here! Never again!
Well, I'm sorry you had to find out that way.
Rex, we're ready to go.
My doors will always be open.
You ready to go?
As I'll ever be.